Welcome back with another video. Today I am going to tell how you can root a Samsung M10 device. That really interesting topic today for you. So start. Let's follow up PC file zone. It's a website where let my audience to get the easy ways and get full things at one place. Okay, let us wait to work and load fully properly. Okay, let's go. Here is the guide. Okay, let's close it. Okay, how you can root Samsung M10 device. It's really such a interesting topic today videos. Okay, first of all, you need to know about the systems and things tools you should have. This guide covers four things for your Samsung M10. Here I mentioned the models name well root access via Magisk plus Odin custom ROM installation CR Droid firmware using Odin to fix lyrics and PIT file usage for repartitions, everything you need is in one place. Okay, it's really cool for now. Okay, uh, so you should take the backup before starting. Thing you should have in your backup. The most really important contact photos, files, and other things. They're using documentations. Okay, what the thing you should have if you have fully planned to make your Samsung M10 device root. Okay, Windows PC that support Windows 10 and 11 run Odin and ADB, Odin 3 Flasher. Okay, Magisk APK, Samsung user driver, PC detect your M10 device, stock firmware four files. Okay, let's discuss with Google what are the four files. Okay, four files. Okay, let's follow up this. Okay, CSC consumer software customization, PIT partition information table, BL bootloader, AP application process or PDA, Android PP core processor. BL stand for bootloader, AP represent the system partition possibly, stand for Android partition under previous or in various version. This was called PDA. Oh, and CP represent your modem. CSC stand for consumer software customization. This specifics the feature your Android device get, according to its geographical location and carrier. Okay, let's back to the guidelines. Okay, section 1, how to root. Okay, it had 2 to 3 phases with some steps. Okay, enable developer option, turn on USB debug and OIM unlock, back about data, enter mode, download mode and unlock. Okay, you should learn this steps yourself. Currently, I have no this device physically, so that is why I cannot make the tutorial that guide you one by one physical way. So you should learn yourself with one by one steps, and I have mentioned from basic to advanced. Okay. Second section is how to install custom ROM on Samsung M10. So here are the steps. Custom ROMs installation steps. Root your device first using section 1 above. Install TWRP recovery via ODM. Odin. Download your using ROM, zip plus GApps. Okay, boot into TWRP recovery, power off, hold up, hold volume up, plus power, release after logo. In TWRP wipe, Dell big cache system data do not wipe internal storage. Flash ROM zip. Flash GF zip reboot system first boot takes 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, section 3. How to flash stock firmware. Okay, it has up to 6 steps. And the last section is PIT file for Samsung M10. Okay, it has up to 5 steps. Currently, I want you to study yourself. Does Samsung allow bootloader unlocking on M10? Yes. Will Samsung Pay work after routing M10? No. Okay, that's all for now. We'll discuss on another topic. Okay, thank you so much for connecting with me. We will connect again on our next video. Okay, thank. That's all for now.